Und nochmal guten Morgen. So, just following up from the last video that we did, we talked about when we change die into a der word using the preposition in. So if we were saying we are in school, wir sind in der Schule. Okay? So now we're just going to think about putting endings onto adjectives. Alright? So if you have the question, when do you have German? When do you have German? Obviously you have German every day, so you could answer, ich habe jeden Tag Deutsch. Ich habe jeden Tag Deutsch. I have German every day. If you ask the question, wann hast du am Montag Deutsch? When do you have German on Monday? You'd answer by saying, ich habe Montag in der, so we know about the in der, 5. Stunde Deutsch. Ich habe Montag in der 5. Stunde Deutsch. Okay, and you can see that we need the en there. Okay, ich habe Montag in der 5. Stunde Deutsch. And if you're saying first, second, third, in the first, second, third, the in der ersten, zweiten, dritten und vierten Stunde. Okay? In the first period, in the second period, in the third period, in the fourth period. Yeah? In der ersten Stunde. Also wir haben am Dienstag in der ersten Stunde Deutsch. We have German in the first period on Tuesdays, don't we? Okay, cool. I hope you're finding these useful. Like I said, I'll be supplying tasks from your booklets shortly. Have a great day.